Yeah, so it doesn't look like I'm gonna be doing much fishing this week. So I guess what else to do than open up some packages. Before I start off the video, I would like to thank all of you guys so much. We're nearing 2.7K subscribers. Still can't wrap my head around that. But yeah, I appreciate it, guys. The last time I did one of these videos, I think I was around 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, that seems about right. I think today's unboxing will be pretty interesting. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it. Starting off, we have a letter. Okay, there we go. Nice. Wait, what? All right, so it appears our first letter is an advertisement. I don't know how that got in the P.O. box. This thing is actually legitimate this time. I know this for sure. Yoink! There's a letter first. Let's start off with this. Thank you for doing this for our son. He has a tremendous passion for fishing. Oh, okay. Awesome. Nice note. I'll put it up on the board. And they also sent, whoa, some Lunker Hunt Senkos. These are some cool colors. Look at that. Okay, hold on. Let's do one at a time. Look at that blue, transparent blue flake. Looking very good. Check this out too. Wow. All right, who sent this? Chance Coker. Okay. Hey man, I'll go ahead and leave your TikTok in the description below. So guys, go follow him on there. Thank you for sending this, Chance. Here we go. This is a package. Very boxy. This thing works better than I thought. Okay, well, first thing in here is a couple of, looks like some speed worms, and then a nice little crankbait. We're gonna open this up later. Ooh, now this is pretty sick. Well, first of all, we have a very nice drawing. Arvin, I'm pretty sure you sent this. Thank you for doing that. It says Guggens on the headband. This is a long letter. Check that out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and read it. Dear FisherYin, I know this isn't much, but I drew a picture that took 2 days, and I also sent you one of my favorite fishing reels, and I hope you will use it one day. Thanks for being the best, and thanks for allowing other people to fish. And other than that, I'm going to send you one of my favorite crankbait that catches a lot of fish. So if you're ever struggling on catching fish, please use this because it catches a lot of fish, and maybe it could catch you a new PB bass. But other than that, thanks for everything. To the TikTok king from our fishing. That is awesome. Thanks for sending this. I'm gonna go ahead and stick my hand in here and see what reel you sent. Ooh, nice. Very cool. It's a Shakespeare. Awesome. There we go. That's much better. Thank you so much for sending this, Arvin. Woo! Ah, it's a Durango, Shakespeare Durango. This reel is sweet, man. Wow, look at these black and red worms. These things are gonna catch some nice fish. And continuing with the black and red pattern, that's the crankbait. It might look a little orange to you guys, but I assure you guys. Okay, wait, I might be wrong. It's a little bit orange. But for you guys, since the lighting is like this, it does look orange, but trust me, it's more red in real life. Our last package comes from, I'm very excited to announce, my first sponsor. Inside this box are some Eagle Eyes sunglasses. They reached out to me and said, hey, you wanna try some? And I was like, yeah, for sure. They went ahead and mailed me this, and now we're just gonna be opening this up. I don't know what specific sunglasses are in here, so that's gonna be a surprise for all of us. That's how it looks. That looks good. Got our first one right here, and then the second one right here. Right here is the receipt. If you can't see, the total is $150. These two things total up to be $150. So these are not cheap. They're gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Let's start off with the smaller one. This was honestly perfect timing because I needed some new fishing sunglasses anyways. Oh yeah, okay, that's a very nice feeling case. Here we are, opening it up. that to the side. Oh, here are the actual sunglasses. It also comes with a velvety sunglass carrier. These are looking sweet. Well, that's our first pair, guys. Check that out. Isn't that cool? All right, guys, how do I look? Be honest. I like it. All right, let's put this aside. I'll talk more about these in a second. Lay this right here for you guys to see. This is a much bigger box, so let's pop this open. Whoa! Now this is something special. Comes with a little keychain lock and then a totally different case. Check out this case compared to this case. This case is a hard shell zipper case, while this is like just different. Ooh, opening it up, what do we have here? No way. You know you're getting into the serious stuff when this thing comes with a whole cleaning kit. What? I'm not too sure what this is. It might be for adjusting the sunglasses somehow. Got some anti-fog cleaner. That's gonna be very useful when I'm out on the ocean. And of course, we have a wipe in here. Another sleeve case. How many things are in here? Ooh, guys. I think I may have found my favorite. Here they are. Look at that. Do I look like I'm gonna come and just destroy all the fish in your local body of water? These are the type of glasses you would wear when you're going on a tournament. This pair is the one you would wear when you're just having a friendly fish off with your friend and you gotta show them who's boss. The polarization on these things are so sick. Guys, if you still, by this time, do not have a solid pair of fishing sunglasses, you definitely gotta go get some. Which is why I really like these glasses, because they're pretty affordable, but they also have great quality. If you guys are in need of any type of sunglasses, it can be from sporty to casual. They have them on their website. So I will leave the link in my description. And one more thing, use the code FRIENDSSAVE and you can get 15% off your order. Anyways, go and get yourself a pair of eagle eyes. That's the result of today's unboxing. I'm such a messy person. Let's hang up some fan mail. That's one, that's two, and that three. Thank you so much for hopping on today's video. I know it's super short, but I guarantee you, as soon as the weather improves, we will get out there and do some more fishing. Let me know what you guys want to see. Make sure you find the time, get out there, take a friend, and fish for the adventure.